Hi there. Today we will learn how to make your monitor portrait or flipped for coding or any other purpose. Even if you have more than one monitor, it would help you the best. So, firstly right-click and go to Display Settings. If you have more than one monitor, just make sure that the desired monitor is selected. Find Display Orientation. Here you can see 4 options. First one is the default one, Landscape. But we need the second one, that is Portrait. Select it. Here you can see that the display is turned shrinked. It means the display is portrait now and I can use it for coding and any other purposes. If you need to go back to normal display, then simply come back to Display Orientation again and choose Landscape. So, this is how you can simply turn your monitor or display portrait or flipped easily. Hope this helped you. Please let us know further in the comment box and subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.